in the front who's not raising their hand? Corey, what should we do? And speak louder so everyone can hear you, Daniel.
Underline the keywords.
You can underline the keywords. What are the keywords here?
5 batches.
5 batches. What else?
Total of 2,400 cookies.
Total of 2,400 cookies. What else?
How many cookies were in 4 batches?
And how many cookies were in 4 batches? Okay. What else? What's our next step here, Rosie?
Do a tape diagram.
Do a tape diagram, and how should I do that?
A rectangle.
Okay, it's a shape of a rectangle. So what do we know then?
Split it in 5 groups.
Split in 5 groups. Thumbs up if you agree. Split in 5 groups? No? I see some no's. I'm going to ask those who are doing no's. Why no?
Because it says how many cookies. We want to know how many is in 4 batches.
Because we want to know how many is in 4 batches. Who says yes to 5 groups? 5 groups? Okay, Nicholas, why? And speak loud so everyone can hear you, okay? We want to learn from you.
5 groups because Rita made 5 batches.
Because Rita made 5 batches. Okay. So there's a little bit of confusion here, huh? She made 5 batches, but they're asking, what is the question really asking though?
How many cookies are there? 4 batches.
So which one is correct?
5.
Calvin, I saw your hand up earlier.
We have to split into 5 groups because that's what we know first.
Wow, I love that answer. Fatima, did you hear what Calvin said? Why not? Were you over there? I don't think so. You were right there. You weren't paying attention. Shauna, did you hear what Calvin said? You didn't hear? Speak louder.
We're supposed to.
So which one's correct? 5 batches, 5 groups, or 4 groups?
5 groups because that's what we know first.
That's what we know first. Okay?
5 batches because we know that.
Because we know that first. So let's do that. Because Rita did make 5 batches, right? That's what we know first. So let's do that. 1. Go ahead and do that in your notebook. And let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make sure you have 5 groups. What else do we know? Turn to your partner and tell them, what else do you know?
Yeah, the size of the group is
I should see everyone sharing with a partner. What else do we know? What is missing from this tape diagram?
The language is
Okay, mathematicians. Let's see, who should I choose? Who could tell me what's missing? What else do we know from this word problem? I love all of the hands. Christian. There's 2,400 cookies. Where do we put that? On top of the tape diagram. Why? What does that mean? What does that represent? The total. So this tape diagram, so go ahead and use a complete sentence. This tape diagram and use represents in your words, in your explanation. Wonderful. I love it. Now, Daniel, did you hear what Christian said? Why not? Why not? He wasn't loud enough? Okay, Christian, say it again.
There's
we agree? So then what should we do now? Do we know the size of the groups or the number of groups?
The number of groups.
We hear different answers. Turn to your partner and tell them
The number of
why and why.
Number of
And explain why. Why do you know that?
How I know that's
Mathematicians, mathematicians. Oh, I didn't hear you. Mathematicians, mathematicians.
Yes.
Look up here. So what do we know? Do we know the size of the group or the number of groups?
Size. Number.
Number of groups. Tell me why. Because there's 5 batches of cookies. So that's how many she made. So what do we not know? What do we not know?
Size of group.
Size of groups, right? Who can tell me? What does that mean? What does each group represent in this word problem? What does one group represent in this word problem? Damaris. One batch, right? So we don't know how many cookies are in each batch, and that's what we need to find out. So what we're going to do is write a question mark, okay? That's what we need to find out. So how should we find that out?
Divide.
To hear a few of you. Divide what? Go ahead,
Divide.
Shadow. All right. I hear you. Okay. Divide into how many groups? 5. So, we're going to divide this. Can we divide 2,000s into 5 groups? So we had to do 2,400s?
Yeah.
No.
So 5 times what give us closest to 2,400s? 5 times 4, which is what?
20.
20. Do we use up all the hundreds?
Yeah. We have 4 left.
We have 4 left. What now?
Bring the 0 down.
Down 0. Now can we divide 40 into 5 groups?
Yes.
8. Which is minus 40, so we use it all.
Yes.
And what now? So what now then?
Minus 0.
Put the 0 on top, why? Because there's nothing in the group that we can divide. 480. So what does 480 represent? Turn to your partner and tell them. 480. And I'm going to choose somebody to tell me. So make sure you're 480. What does that represent? So let me look for a quiet hand. Looking for a quiet hand. Who can tell me what does 480 mean? What is that? What did we just find? Conrad. Speak louder so I can hear you. What is 480? Come on, Conrad. Makai.
480.
Come on. No, we're not talking about that right now. We're talking about math. Okay? So, Conrad, you had your hand raised. What is 480? Conrad? You forgot because he was bothering you? Well, take a look at this. What are we looking for? Okay, if I hear you guys talking again, that's another club down. But you are moving your mouth when you're talking. Conrad? So what were we looking for just now? number of groups or the size of the group? Size, right? And one group represents what? 480. So what does 480 mean? That's the size. But based on this word problem, what does 480 mean? 480 what? 480 batches of cookies? Who can help him out? Rosie?
480 represents how many cookies are in 4 batches.
Okay, speak louder and go ahead and tell Conrad.
480 represents how many cookies are in 4 batches. Thank you.
For each batch? Okay. Thumbs up if you agree. Do you agree with that? So, 480 represents how many cookies? So we should put cookies here, huh? In what? In each what? Batch. Now, did we answer the problem?
No.
No, we didn't.
You gotta do 2,400 times by 4.
So let's read the second question. Oh, the question. If there were the same number in each batch, how many cookies were in 4 batches? So what should we do? Turn to your partner and tell them.
1,900.
Those in the back, you should be sharing with your partner. Sam, Morris. Okay. Class, look up here. Who can tell me what should we do to figure out how many cookies are all together in 4 batches? What should we do? Where's Daniel? You have your hand raised. Do you have the answer? 480 times what? 5. 4? Why 5? It's supposed to be 4? Why 4? Well, look back at the problem. What's it asking? Okay, who can help him out? Damaris? 480 times 4, why? No, I'm asking Damaris. Because there's 4 groups. Is there 4 groups up here?
No.
There's 5 groups. So why 4? Why did you times it by 4? Hold on. I'm asking Damaris.
Because it says how many cookies are in 4 batches.
Because it's asking how many are in 4 batches. So what should we do here? So 480 times 4, okay? And let's use partial product to find that out. Let me give you a second to do that on your own. And then we'll do it together and then see if you got the right answer.
Okay.
Give you 10 more seconds to do that. Look up here once you have the answer. Wow, some of you are fast.
Yeah.
Good. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Look up here. Let's do it. Let's do it together. So 0 ones times 4 is 0. 8 tens times 4
It's 312.
320. And then 4 times 4 hundreds.
What that's 600.
What is it?
What that's 600. 16,000.
And that adds up to
2,400.